Alright guys, 2014 Honda Accord, 2013, 14 and 15, similar product. Alright, we did these 3D lights. Alright, we did these 3D lights for the tails. Got a full video on it, check it on my channel. But inside, check this out. Look at that. The skylights. These are alright, we got a controller here. So if I press yellow, it's gonna turn yellow.
Yeah.
Let's do blue. There you go. Any color I select, it just changes. Nice.
You got phone app.
And it's connected to your phone, alright? But let me show you what's in the trunk. Alright, let's go in this trunk. These are 4,000. How many lights are there?
It's 15.
1,600 lights, alright?
15.
15?
1500
lights. Right here, we got the fiber optic cables that goes.
750 from that side, 750 from this side.
There you go, we got one over there. You see that? As he pushes the button, it changes the color. That's a bad boy right there. Job done by himself. There you go. Every time he presses the button, it changes color. And this all runs inside nicely, alright? Took him days, weeks, but he got it done. Too bad I can't put the music on because they do change with the music. Feel like I'm in the sky.